that off. Just make sure you hold on to that cork tight because it'll,
Oh my god.
don't spill.
Woo!
I definitely shook. Oh, that was good. You did a good job.
Yay! She's done school. Oh, guys, I am officially done my schooling. So excited. I'm gonna make the bed, do the laundry. I already had breakfast, but I'm also gonna do a Pilates class today, and I just feel so good to have my free time back. I feel so proud of how far I've come, and I'm also going to catch up on a lot of laundry because I have not done laundry in weeks because of school. So let's make the bed, then do some laundry. Like I said, I have a lot of laundry to catch up on since I'm so busy with school. So first things first, catch up on laundry, then I'm gonna do a Pilates class, do some skincare, etc. And then I have a lot of work to catch up on as well, not just personal things I have time for now. For example, another thing I have time for is reading for pleasure rather than reading for school. So I picked this up last night and started it. Well, I started it a while ago, but I started it back again last night because I haven't read Iron Flame in like 2 months. So I went back to Iron Flame. I'm reading for pleasure again. I'm so excited to get back into all the books that I got. I got the Alchemized book that just came out. That's one of the most anticipated books of the year. I also have to read Quicksilver. I also have to read the entirety of Throne of Glass. I haven't started this one yet, but it got me box set. I'm just so excited to read for pleasure again and not feel guilty about it, because here's the thing. It's not like school took over my life, but I would feel guilty if I wasn't reading something to do with my schooling, so I never did. And if I was going to pick up a book, I was like, I may as well just reread this study or this dissertation or this essay again, or reread through my own work. So it'll be nice to not have to read academic stuff anymore and just to read for fun. That being said, I'll still read things for my knowledge, but yeah, I'm very excited to be able to read for fun again. So I did a face mask last night. My skin feels great, everything showered. I just feel overall very good. So I'm going to do a Pilates class and then probably just make lunch because it's about 10:15 right now, and I do go into work this afternoon, and I want to stop in Costco because A, we need more groceries, and B, I just want to stop and see what they have in terms of holiday stuff. I've been going kind of crazy with all the Halloween decor. I need to chill out because I do still need to buy Christmas presents. I bought my mom's Christmas present and that's it. I don't have a Christmas present for Steve or my Secret Santa yet. I'm gonna do that hopefully today. We'll see, but I might need to go into the city and get some stuff because Costco has a lot, but mall has more. So let's do some skincare. I actually have to show you guys like the Sephora stuff and the Wicked stuff, the REM Beauty by Ariana Grande. I have to show you the stuff that I got recently from Shoppers, and one of them's supposed to be a Christmas present, but I really want to unbox it and show it to you guys. So this is something I got recently at Sephora. I got the Kale and Green Tea Spinach and Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People, matching the Super Berry Dream Cleansing Balm from Youth to the People. I love Youth to the People. I've used them since I was 16 or 17. They're just so great for my skin and never had an issue. And the packaging is super nice as well. Oh my god. I also recently got this package, so I want to unbox this with you guys because I love this product so much. Biotherm, correct me if I'm wrong, but they sent me Hydration on the Go, Plump and Quench Vitamin Glow Gel and Hydra Barrier Cream. I think I'm gonna have to go with the Hydra Barrier Cream, and I love that it's to go because it's winter right now and it's super dry out. It's supposed to snow today. It hasn't been snowing that much, but when it is weather like this, it's so dry, and I already have very dry skin. So I also love this applicator because there's nothing worse than like having to dip your finger in the product. I'll stay clean. I'm gonna go get changed, do a workout. I'm feeling like I want to do something that stretches me because I didn't really do much stretching over the weekend. I was mostly just sitting at my desk doing homework, and Saturday in particular we lost well, yesterday actually we lost quite a bit of power. Like we lost power for the majority of the day. Thankfully It was after my exam. It wasn't during, but because we lost power, I didn't really do much. I just kind of like laid on my butt and we played board games. So I'm gonna do something that makes me feel good, like stretching workout, but also Pilates, but I also want to do like a bar fit workout. I don't really know. We're just gonna see what pops up on my page, on my YouTube page for recommended. We'll go with whatever one calls to me. This is the fit to do a little workout slash stretch. I was going to, also I want to show you my socks, match my sweater. I feel like this workout fit is just so cute. I'm wearing this little clip as well. I just love my hair like this. It feels so much more voluminous. But anyways, I was going to take a Pilates class online, but then I decided to actually film my own video to put up on YouTube because it's been a while since I've posted a workout video, partly because I was so busy with school. And like I mentioned in a few vlogs ago, I've been really trying to take as many classes as possible to really acknowledge and absorb tactics and ways in which to teach. So now that I'm not a student, I can go back to the regular things like recording YouTube videos and recording workouts for you guys. So with that being said, I'm gonna roll out my mat. I'm not gonna bother with makeup just because I'm also trying to be comfortable in my own skin, be confident. So no makeup for this workout today. I am going to roll out the mat and do a little stretching ballet inspired workout. Also, this sweater is super cute. It's from Old Navy. I accidentally put it in the dryer this morning, so that was a mistake. These pants and the matching sports bra is from Popflex, and these little socks are like grippy sticky socks, which are great. I forget where I got them from, and probably Winners. And then this clip is also from Winners. All right, guys, today it is Thursday, November, I don't know the actual date, 13th plus 7, it's the 20th. So we're going to do a ballet class. It's been a while, and I say that every time, but it's true. I feel like I only do ballet like once a week now. But now that my schooling's done officially, I have more time to do the things that I want to do, such as ballet, content creation, getting ready for Christmas, Vlogmas, hopefully. So since Wicked for Good is coming out tomorrow and I'm seeing it tomorrow evening, I want to wear green. Well, I guess this is like a gray, but to me it looks green. But technically I think it's a gray color, but it looks green to me. And I have another green leotard, but I don't think I fit it anymore, to be honest. So I'm gonna wear, I guess I could try. No, I don't think I'm gonna fit it. It was super tiny. It was like an XX small, like an extra small, and it barely fit me last year, and I'm definitely grown since last year. So I'm gonna wear this leotard with the pink because I feel like those are kind of wickedish. Then put on my ballet shoes or point shoes. I also sprayed my ankle low-key last week, so I didn't really want to like push it too much since I did have my exam as well. So let's get changed. All right, so I ended up not wearing tights just because they had a lot of holes in them. I'm also gonna wear this sweater because it's a little bit chilly today, so just something over top to keep me warm. Again, no tights today since they all have holes in them. So let's put on some shoes. Found them eventually. Feet are also really cold because it's cold this morning and these were outside. I think I'm gonna get a new pair of point shoes for myself. The new year, new point shoes, new beginnings. So these are probably one of the last times I'm gonna wear these ones. I was hoping to get a new pair for Vlogmas, but honestly, nearly every day if I can. But also, I don't think I can afford it, A, and B, I don't think they'll get in on time and I'll have time to sew them. But maybe that's a good Vlogmas video, how I sew my point shoes, but I need point shoes to begin with. And these are expensive now because back in the day, point shoes used to be like $80, $100, not even, I think they were like $50 sometimes, like Freeds. They used to be quite inexpensive compared to what they are now because now they're like $200 plus. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane how expensive point shoes are now. But we got them on now. Let's do some point. Oh, been a while. just finished point class, super out of breath. It's been a while, but it felt good. So I'm going to change, make some lunch, but I'm gonna close out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.